I love traveling by train. This one is a subjunctive sentence because we have an auxiliary verb here. When you say I love something to do, or with this auxiliary verb, we are using subjunctive case, and we start with the subject here. Our subject I is as here. Then when you say I love to do it, we are using our auxiliary verb secondly, which is has become. Then you are using this object after that, and it will be b treni. And then at the end we are using our verb as always, which will be geçt dıkım. And altogether our sentence will be as has dıkım b treni geçt dıkım. I love traveling by train.